Hello everyone! Welcome back to Elexhub channel. It's another day in our Elexhub Engineering Department. In today's video, magte-test naman tayo ng HCSR04 Ultrasonic sensor. This sensor measures the distances accurately gamit ang sound waves. Perfect siya for obstacle detection, robotics, or even smart home projects. So today, we will learn kung paano siya gumagana, yung wiring, and yung coding. So let's get started. So first, ano nga ba ang HCSR04? So ang sensor na ito ay gumagamit ng sound waves para ma-measure ang distance. It has a trigger pin na nagsisend out ng ultrasonic pulses. Meron din siyang echo pin. Ito naman yung nagli-listen sa nagba-bounce back na pulse after mag-hit ng object. So, by calculating the time it takes for the pulse to return, malalaman natin yung distance. Nakakapag-measure siya from 2 cm to 400 cm. It's reliable, affordable, and super easy to use with Arduino. So, let's proceed to our next part. So, ano nga ba yung mga kailangan natin for this experiment? So, of course, we need the HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor. Kailangan din natin ng Arduino Uno, jumper wires, and breadboard for easy wiring. So, let's proceed to the wiring. First, we connect the VCC pin of the sensor sa 5 volts ng Arduino. Then, we connect the ground pin sa Arduino's ground, the trigger pin sa digital pin 9 ng Arduino, the echo pin sa digital pin 10 ng Arduino. You can connect it to any pins, okay, as long as it is digital. And then, that's it. Your sensor is ready to go. So, let's proceed to coding. So, here's the code. As you can see, here's the code. So, first, we define the pins for the trigger and the echo. In the setup, we configure the pins and start the serial monitor for debugging. In the loop, we send a short pulse from the trigger pin, measure how long the echo pin stays high, then we use that duration to calculate the distance in centimeters. Then we upload this code to your Arduino. Then after you upload it, we can now test it. As you can see in the serial monitor, nababago yung distances as I move the object closer or further from the sensor. Perfect siya for measuring distances in real time. And that's how you use the HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor with an Arduino. Pwede nyo siyang gamitin for obstacle detection for robots, parking assistance systems, or even water level monitoring. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, thumbs up naman dyan, and pwede ka rin mag-subscribe for more Arduino projects. If you have questions, drop them in the comment section. I would love to help. Thanks for watching and see you sa next video. Happy making!